Hi, everyone. Today, let's talk about how AI is changing jobs in the education world. Will it take teacher jobs or will it bring new change? Let's find out together. Okay, let's begin with education. AI helps make learning more personal. For example, it changes lesson use smart platform to age students so they can learn quicker. For instance, AI can check and marks homework all by itself, which makes less work for teachers. So students say AI over 20 to 40% of the time teachers spend working, and that's super helpful and fast. It feels like good thing, but it also shows that some brains repeating jobs may get done by AI instant of people. For example, easy grading tests could be taken over by AI. But don't worry, AI is also creating a new job. For example, there are AI curricular designer. There are people who make the teaching material and the lesson that use AI to help students learn in the better way. They design special content that is powered by AI, which makes education more helpful and fit each student's needs. Another new job is data analysis. There are those works look at information about how students are doing in school. This study is state and usually help teachers and the school figure out what students need to improve their learning. This help school make their teaching even better. Students say that the need for those new jobs created by AI, like the great data design, is growing by 20%. It means that more and more people are wanted to be those jobs. This is good news for the education world because it shows that AI is not just taking jobs away. It is also giving people new chance to work in education. But there are also many challenges to face. Teachers need to learn new skills to keep up. For example, they must learn how to use AI to make teaching better and more helpful for students. But that not every school has enough money to buy those high-tech tools, and the machine school in richer area can easily start using AI because they have more money to spend. On other hand, school in poorer area may not be able to afford those tools, so they could fall behind. This difference may make education resource even more unequal they are now. For example, some students point out that the gap in technology between school can make education inequality worse. This gap can also affect job opportunity for teachers, as some may not get the chance to work with new tools or may lose jobs if their school can keep up. Let's take a look at how AI helps in education. AI makes learning more personal for each student. For example, it uses smart platform to change the lesson so students can learn faster and better. Not only that, AI can also mark homework by itself, which make less work for teacher. That sounds pretty cool, right? But this also means that the work of teacher is changing. Some repetitive tasks may be taken over by AI students. For example, I found the study from the report by Wichita State University. It says that AI can mark homework automatically, which could lower the amount of traditional work that teachers usually do. Also, AI can really make things more efficient. Another article from Panato says AI can take care of 20 to 30% of the teacher work time by doing tasks automatically, like marking homework and creating lesson material. This is a big help for teachers because it gives them more time to focus on teaching their students. It makes their work much more efficient. and it also lower the stress teacher feel. However, AI doesn't only bring new good things, it also create new jobs such as AI curriculum designer who make AI powered, learn content and data analyze who help school understand student performance. But there are also many challenges. Teachers need to learn new skills like how to use AI to improve teaching. However, not all schools can afford to buy those high-tech tools. As the Harvard Middle East Professional Learning Initiative point out in article address inequities in education AI as double-edged sword. Schools are more likely to use advanced AI tools, while schools in poor area many stringing to size even basic digital equipment. So AI make education more efficient, but it also changed the teacher's role in the future. Teacher may need more teach skill to work with AI. Now let's talk about the healthcare industry. AI is like the super assistant in hospitals. It helps doctors find problem faster and more accurately. It can look at X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans even faster than human doctors. It's really amazing. For example, a study from the Stanford University shows that AI can diagnose lung cancer with accuracy of 94%, which is higher than many human doctors. Pretty amazing, right? This helps doctors spend more time working on complicated cases that need extra attention. But AI also brings some challenge, especially with privacy issue. A report from examines says that AI need to handle a lot of patient information. If it's not careful, there could be a risk of data leaks, like getting attacked by hackers who may steal that information. Speaking of AI's ability to diagnose, there's a video that explains it really well. It says that AI can quickly and accurately look at patient's records like X-rays, MRIs, and the CT scan with a very high accuracy rate. This not only makes the diagnosis process faster, but also help doctors find problems. Either ways can save more lives. You should check out this video to learn more.
Is transforming medicine. Subscribe for more medical science explained simply. Imagine a doctor who never sleeps, analyzes millions of patient records in seconds, and gets smarter every time it makes a diagnosis. That's what AI is doing right now. AI tools like IBM Watson, Google DeepMind, and ChatGPT Medical are already helping doctors detect cancer, brain disorders, and rare diseases. AI can analyze X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans faster than human radiologists, with comparable or even superior accuracy.
That AI at high accuracy make diagnosis more efficient. However, this might mean that some traditional jobs like routine tests done by radiologists could slowly be taken over by AI instant. But AI doesn't just take away jobs. It also created new opportunity. For example, there are AI exercise and medical data analyze. There are new kind of jobs and more people are needed to do them. They make sure AI is used in fair and safe way to help everyone. Everything is a serious issue. Exabin also said that AI system depend on big data, and if it's not well protected, patient information could be misused, like being stolen by hackers. This means hospitals need more experts to manage those risks, like data privacy specialists who protect patient information. There are also AI system managers who make sure AI tools work properly. Their new jobs bring big challenge to healthcare jobs. Traditional doctors and nurses may need to learn new skills like data management and how to use AI. to keep up with the times. Stanford's research also says AI works very well in diagnosing complex cases. This helps doctors focus more on solving hard problems. Also, AI can bring other challenges like algorithm bias. If the AI trained it in basic, it may affect fair diagnosis. For example, not recognizing design well in some group of people. This means AI exercises are needed to help make sure the system is fair. Also, privacy laws are very complex, like HIPAA in the US and the GDPR. In Europe, they require hospitals to protect patient data strictly, which can be the big pressure for healthcare works. Also, AI may make healthcare resource less equal. Hospital in rich area can afford AI tools like advanced diagnosis machines, but hospital in poor place may feel behind. This not only affect patients' chance to get good care, but also good job opportunity. Place with more AI teach may need more works with related skill. We will poor area may lose some jobs. So AI impact on healthcare jobs has two sides. It's bring new chance but also new challenge. In the future, healthcare may change a lot. Doctor could move from basic image analysis to more complex decision making where AI does this simple test. This may mean fewer traditional job, but doctor and nurse will have more time to do meaningful work like talking with patient and making personally treatment plans. What do you think would you change? Will AI make healthcare work either or will it add more stress? Overall, AI makes vertical techno fast and more article and create new jobs, but parents issue inequality and the skill need are big challenge. Healthcare work need to keep learning to work with AI, and they may even change their roles to AI-related jobs like system manager or data security expert. Looking back, AI is changing jobs in education and healthcare. It's bringing more efficiency and new change, but also skill and privacy challenge. Maybe you were worried about your open job changing or hope AI can help make it work. Either those change actually affect all of your us.